I'm going to give you a small presentation on dental implants. Many of us wants to know what is a dental implant. Many of us are very curious to know whether dental implant is suitable for me, whether dental implant is going to help me, whether will there be any problem for me. So I will introduce myself before I am going to talk about dental implant. I am Major Dr. Praveen. I am an ex-Indian Army dental officer. So I am a dental implant specialist. I have done more than 1000 implants in my career and I'm still doing a lot of full mouth implants. I have an academy where I teach. So first of all, I want to tell Malligai Dental Hospital is my hospital. I am the founder of the hospital. My hospital is located in the Chennai city and it is only 500 meters away from the Ashok Nagar Metro railway station, and it is 5 kilometers from the airport and 8 kilometers from the central railway station. We are also 10 kilometers away from Coimbatore bus stand, and we are very proud to own two world-class dental hospital setups. We have two branches, one in Ashok Nagar, Chennai, one in West Mamlam, and I go as a consultant to various hospitals, to various setups, and I operate on a lot of patients both in India and abroad. So before going to know about what is dental implant, why we have to go for dental implant? Yes, dental implants are the latest gift from the dental world to all the patients like you. When you are watching this video, you might be wondering, you have given a query to me about dental implants. That is why I am sending you this video. It's a very personalized video. Why? Because I can share some of the ideas over this video. Dental implant is a small root kind of replacement device. Suppose we are extracting a natural tooth. A natural tooth has got two parts, a crown part and a root part. So the root part we are implanting first, followed by crown on the top. As simple as that. So it is made up of two materials. As you can see in this picture, it is made up of titanium and zirconium. But titanium is relatively affordable and cheaper compared to zirconium. We are also doing zirconium implants only on the price, and everything is discussed only in person. So here in this small video presentation, I am going to give a lot of information about why is dental implant to be done, what are the advantage, disadvantage, everything. You have not seen me personally, but this video is going to really help you. So this is a picture of me when I served in the armed forces. I am very experienced in doing implants, and I teach implants. I make others do implants, so there is nothing wrong in me telling you, because this information will be very useful to you. So dental implants are used to replace one teeth or many teeth. Also, anybody is wearing loose dentures, anybody is having some mobile teeth, mobile denture, we can fix the denture along with an implant. So many advantages are there. Even for doing orthodontic braces treatment, we use these small implants called mini implants to anchor, to pull the teeth from the front surface to the back surface. So who is an ideal candidate for dental implant? An ideal candidate for a dental implant should be in a good health. Especially when you are coming to me, I will evaluate your medical fitness first before going for the procedure. So diabetes is very important, hypertension is very important. Any medication you are taking should be told to me before. So also after evaluating your medical fitness, we will take some x-rays and we will analyze everything very clearly with the x-ray or a CT scan. Also, we are going to do this procedure inside the bone, so we need to evaluate your bone quality and quantity. So how do we check all this? General examination, we have our own in-house world-class dental medical lab where all the dental patients are sent for a routine checkup. We do routine blood sugar test. Sugar, diabetes should be under control. Even 200 is acceptable, but it should be under control. Any medication you are taking will have an impact. So any cancer patients, any patients who are having hormone treatment should inform us. The basic investigation you are going to spend is a consulting is going to be 200 rupees and an x-ray is going to be just 500 Indian rupees. This is the x-ray picture. If you see If I am not happy with the X-ray, maybe if I want more information, I will ask you to go for a CT scan. If you can see this picture, the CT scan has got a beautiful, you can segment the patient's face in this way and that way. So it is very important to have a CT scan also, for especially for patients who are going for full mouth rehabilitation. So before going into the procedure per se, you should know what is the difference between a teeth and what is the difference between an implant. See, a teeth is having a root position and a crown position. The implant has also got a basic implant position and a crown position. Now the difference is, in an implant we don't have any nerve supply, so there is no pain or no problem at all. Whereas in an implant, we don't have that great immunity. That is why we always say brush twice daily, come for regular checkup. If you don't come for regular checkup, what happens? Your immunity will come down in that particular localized area, and the bacteria will always infect the implant, and implant will fail. So how is this procedure done? Implants are done for either single tooth, 2 or 4 teeth, or a full mouth procedure. If you are having a single missing tooth, generally we classify the procedure based on the number of implants or based on the crown delivery, which means implant is placed inside the jaw, then the crown is given. So immediately, if you want also, we can give, especially for the front tooth, we give, remove the teeth, put the implant, we make a crown in the clinic itself. So that is the most advantageous facility we have here. Delayed procedure is generally done especially from 2 weeks to 3 months. Why it is time? See, when I extract, there will be a big gap. So when I put an implant, automatically in 2 weeks the soft tissue will settle down, the gums and everything. So the patients will feel comfortable, the crown will become nice. So after that, in 3 months time, why we are calling, especially the biting tooth needs a lot of strength. So this strength will be gained only in 2 to 3 months time, because the bone around the screw, around the implant screw, will be formed only in 3 months time. That is a scientific procedure. Whether you do it from me or from my colleague or from any country, it is going to be the same. We do have immediate loading protocol procedure. For a full mouth cases, we can do immediately. For single tooth in a biting surface, we always tell you to wait and come back again. If you have time, you can come back and do the second stage procedure. But most people ask, I want immediate teeth, I want immediate teeth, I want immediate teeth. Right? Maybe you may be asking the same question also. But what is the actual procedure? See, the actual procedure is, first we will place the implant inside the jaw. If you see this picture carefully, you can see very well the jaw has been replaced by 1 implant on the left side and 2 implant on the right side. Later, after 3 months, we have done the crown procedure. What is the small hole in the crown? That is the most advantageous procedure we do in our clinic, where this is a procedure where we can remove the crown every year, clean it, put it back. Some crowns are placed by cement, some crowns are screwed. So this is a screwable type of process. So front side, no problem, immediate teeth. For the back side, we always want the patient to wait for a few moments before the implant becomes stronger. So this is a kind of full mouth upper jaw where you can see multiple implants have been placed. This is a third day of the procedure. See, all the implants have been nicely placed and the crown has been given. So the patient was very comfortable during the procedure. So the pricing, the main question every patient asks me, sir, why implants are charged so high? Why the implant procedures are actually high everywhere, not only with you but everywhere. So what I would advise you is to do only one thing. First of all, if you understand the procedure, you will not ask why it is expensive. You will always ask how much I have to pay, how I have to pay. See, the pricing depends on the jaw, because in lower jaw it is strong, in upper jaw it is weak. So for a place of 1 implant, sometimes we may have to give 2 implants. So the pricing depends on the jaw and the bone. If the bone is very poor, we may have to give some bone grafting, we may have to do some additional procedure. And also you should see the number of components involved is so high, the training is so high. I need to go for a lot of training, knowledge to get a good teeth for a patient. I need to update my knowledge. So we are paying a lot of money for that. And also depends on the number of brands we are using. There are so many brands. For example, if you are buying a small computer, just think, if you buy a HCL computer, it is less. HP, it is little more. But if you go for an Apple or iMac or an iPad in a higher end product, always you're going to pay more because of the quality. Likewise, in dental implants, the pricing is very low, mediocre, and also we have very, very expensive expensive implants. The price of zirconia implants are going to be much expensive compared to the normal price. Okay, now you must be curious how much this guy's pricing is going to be. Yes, I'm going to tell you everything now in few moments. Before that, I want also to tell you, see, we have an exclusive setup. We have an exclusive dedicated setup for dental implants. We have all the facilities in-house, all the facilities, right from the x-ray, from the blood test, from the lab and everything. So patients are not going to be operated anywhere except in our place. Also, if I have to anesthetize the patient, sometimes I have to give a general anesthesia for a full mouth procedure for the comfort of the patient. Even I do zygoma implants. Zygoma implants are nothing but for people who have got very poor bone. There is no space for putting implants, regular implants. We take the support from here. We also do that. So now the dental implant pricing for single teeth, it's going to be how much? You can see here, for the single teeth, we are going to charge you right from 15,000 to 35,000. This is what I told you, the brand, the number of procedures per se. So this can be confirmed only when you come in person and meet me. The second is, the crowns are charged separately. The crowns are minimally charged from 4,000 Indian rupees to 10,000 Indian rupees for the implant procedure. For a full mouth, whether it is an all-on-4, whether it is a, if you see the per jar prices will be from 1.5 lakhs to 3 lakhs, because we may put 8 implants, we may put 6 implants, we may put just 4 implants. So it is a package. Everything will be included in that. So also, if you see, these are some of the various components we use. We have to use the implant, we have to use the abutment, the analog, the impression transfers, the healing caps, the cover screws, the surgical kits. It's a huge armamentarium. The armamentarium is so huge, involves a lot of nitty-gritties, so the pricing goes higher. So anywhere you are going to do it, always you should ask the question. Two question is, is the clinic experienced in doing implants, or somebody is coming and doing? In my clinic, since I am the specialist, I'm talking to you directly, the same person, me, is going to do implants on your mouth. So offers, yes, this video is going to give you special offers. Right now, in this video, those who are watching this video, I am going to tell you, so far you have watched patiently. So what I have to do for you, I have to give something to you to make you very happy, to make you really feel good. So all I'm going to do is to give you a special offer. For this video, I am going to give you straight away 20% discount on the rates I have told you. 20% discount. Whenever you come, you can tell, you can show me the video link. You can keep this link safe in your email. That is the only proof you have shown, you have seen this video. See the video, come back to us whenever you are coming to India, to my clinic. You can meet me directly and you can show the video link and you can claim your 20% discount on whatever bill. Suppose we are charging say 10,000, we are going to give you 2,000 rupees. We are going to charge you 20,000, we are going to give you 4,000 rupees. We are going to charge 1 lakh. We are going to give you 20,000 rupees discount flat. This is from me. If you have confidence on me, please visit my website malligaidental.com. That is the website. We have included the price openly there. We are very open. We are very straightforward people. We don't do any extra things. Why? Because we are very people friendly and patient friendly. So thank you patiently for watching this video. Please support us. If you like us, go to Facebook and type Malligai Dental Hospital. You will see our website. Give us a like and thank you so much. God bless you.